Hi, in this tutorial I will demonstrate to you how to convert AutoCAD file into shapefile in Arcmap. So here is our AutoCAD file. We want to convert into a shapefile. So first of all, in Arcmap we will add our file from the add data. Go to the desired folder where is your AutoCAD file save, and then click on the add, select file and click on the add. After reading the file, the message will pop up, unknown special reference. Ignore it and click on the OK. In the group layer, there are 5 options: line, annotation, point, polygon, and page. And now we will export only polygon. If you require the point annotation, you can export it. First of all, we will uncheck and then right click on the polygon. So we will export our polygon. Right click and go to the data, export data, select the location where you want to save it and rename it, and save. The type will be a shapefile, and then click on the save. If you want it that it will directly open in your layer, then click on the yes. So our shapefile is generated, and now we will remove our group layer from the remove tab, and now we will give it a projection. From the search tab we will search define projection and select define projection data management, and input our raster, input our shapefile, and here we will select our required coordinate. If you want to change the unit, then double click on the coordinator. From here you will change the unit from meter to feet to meter, and then click on the OK, and wait for the define projection. So it's done, and see the magic. Yes, it will open on the exact place. Now from the color blocks you can change color. So I will select no color and outline like in watercolor, so to see the clear visibility of my shapefile. Simple method. If you want to measure the area of the parcel, click open attribute table. From the table option, add a field. First of all, we will add a field for the area and give it a name. So I will give it an area. In the type we will select double, and then click OK. Right click to search the area, and right click on it and calculate geometry. Select your unit. So I will get in acres, so it will show the parcel area in acres. It's 14 point something acres. Is very important for the area calculation in anything. If your parcel is not, shapefile is not projected, it will not calculate easting, northing or area. So if you don't have imagery for the verification of your parcel, it will you can add a base map from the add data tab. So here I don't have internet. From here you will add base map, online imagery. So you will check your parcel location and verify it. Okay, so here is the simple process of converting AutoCAD file into shapefile in Arcmap. In the next time I will post another video in Global Mapper, in which I will show you how in Global Mapper we will convert DWG to shapefile. Global Mapper is very easy to use. Take care and subscribe to the channel.